Okay, so I know a lot of people get that credit card error and stuff. So we're going to show you where it was supposed to be originally. So eventually, I think you were supposed to right here, so you can say billing information. You're supposed to go here to add, delete credit cards. But as soon as you click on it, it tells you to go to your PlayStation account management. So we're going to be doing that, and I'm going to be showing you how you could do that. The thing is, before we even go to the website, I do have to mention that a lot of the time, everyone's account from PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Vita, and PS3, it's all one account. I don't know. Some people don't really know that, but just to let you know, all your PlayStation Network ID is connected through all accounts. So if you added a credit card on your PS4, chances are, if you're trying to buy games on PS3, your credit card is still on it and it's telling you to add, remove, etc. You gotta delete your credit card no matter what. That's just how it goes. But we're gonna show you how we do it. Okay, so we're here at the PlayStation.com. You could also use your mobile device as well. You could do it through the PlayStation Network application. I'm gonna do it on the website because that's usually what I do things on. Obviously, you're gonna sign in. Once you log in, it's going to take you back to the home screen. The only difference is going to have your avatar right here on this little bar stating that you already logged in. So you want to click on this and you want to go to the third option, payment management, and you want to click on that. Now, as soon as this pop up, it's going to have your whatever you have locked on, PayPal, credit card. For some odd reason, a lot of people have also confirmed this, that having a credit card attached to your PlayStation ID does not let you buy games on the PlayStation 3. I do not use credit cards. I just use PlayStation cards because it's just much easier. Also, what else you could do is essentially just add funds. Whatever method you want to do, you could like add a payment method, add the funds, and then remove the funds. That sounds like a pain in the drag. That's like a drag. I wouldn't want to do that. So that's why I use the PSN cards, because I just simple click. I get my PSN cards literally in like a minute from purchasing it from Amazon. So you can't have anything connected. If you want to buy games on the PlayStation 3, I did get a comment a while back, some guy saying that he uses his credit card on PS4 and he purchases games all the time. Yes, that's PS4, okay? PS3 is a weird mix of ridiculousness. They're making it very hard for people to do things on there. So the best thing you could do is remove your credit card when you're trying to purchase games on the PlayStation 3. Because if you don't do that, you're going to get that error saying to add a credit card. The system is so bugged that it's telling you to add a credit card, but in reality, it's actually telling you to remove every freaking connection, credit card, PayPal from your account. Believe me when I say this, it doesn't let people have their credit cards connected to the PlayStation account. So you have to remove it right here. I'm telling you, you got to. If you want to buy PlayStation 3 games, you got to. And anyways, that's pretty much it. That's all I gotta say. I hope I covered everything. If you didn't get any good information from this video, I do have another video. I think it was called Fixing PlayStation Store Fixes. I'll put a little thumbnail on here to show you how it looks like. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.